Hello everyone, DJ Aaron here. We are going to do a video today, and this video is going to be Pearl OS. Now, I'm going to redo this one because yesterday when I did it, I had, well, the stupid computer went into random bullcrap here, but go to the boot menu here. So we're gonna do a video on Pearl OS, and we're going to hopefully not fail this time, which I don't think we will. Yesterday when I tried this, when I was messing around with cheese, it locked up the whole entire thing, so we're going to try this again. This time, hopefully, I will give you guys a good presentation of this. What this is an operating system that kind of looks like Mac OS in a way, Mac OS 10. The only difference is it looks like either Snow Leopard or Leopard. So they kind of did a awesome job on it. The developers did an awesome job on it. Now, I can say that they did do a good job on it, because what you guys are going to see is exactly what it looks like. It's pretty much a direct clone of Mac OS 10. So, if you guys want to know what Mac OS 10 looks like, this operating system is pretty much a representation of that. So now we are waiting for it to load. Running it off of a live DVD is pretty much kind of slow going here. This part takes the longest. So it brings you up to a login screen, which is Pearl Linux 1.0. So and okay. So when you try this, it does it. You have to do the user as custom, and leave the password field blank. Should I say blank? And that's the instructions, what it says to do. So that's what I did. So we are waiting for the desktop items to load, including the dock and stuff. And being a live DVD, yes, it is pretty slow. So what we are going to do is we are going to, since this does not remember the Wi-Fi every time it opens and stuff like that. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to change the screen, or we are going to change the display. 1024. Let's go 1366 by 768. That's going to give us a little bit of a better look at it. Now, the dock doesn't look as big and all that stuff. So, what do we do to get the internet working? Well, we go into network connections. We add a connection. Create. We and my external hard drive decides to unplug itself. We go to general, no, cancel. We want to go add. We don't want Ethernet. We want Wi-Fi. We want to create. We want to, however, go. Well, the SSID, I have to put that down. Let's see. Hang on just a minute there, guys. I'm going to enter in the SSID. And we need the save. Alright, so we got Wi-Fi connected. So now we could close that. Alright. So now the screensaver turns itself on. So now we got Wi-Fi. Alright, so we go to the applications. And we have favorites. This comes up with your favorites down list. Okay. Computer details. Thor File Manager. XFCE terminal, Chromium web browser, which has the Safari icon look to it. Mozilla build of SeaMonkey, Cheese, which is a recording software. You could do. Let's see, you can actually do. Video recording, take photos, much like how Photo Booth is. Banshee, which is a music player, VLC player, Shotwell, which is a photo editing suite, BleachBit as root, and network connections. Recently used, which we have network connections for File Manager, BleachBit, GIMP, Docky, BleachRoot as root, XFCE terminal, Rose Remastery, disks, startup disk creator, and gedit. Now you can tell this is a Ubuntu distro because that has the Ubuntu symbol there. Now for all, we have different applications. I'm not going to go through them all. Half of them you probably have already seen, but I'm not going to go through all of them. But one thing we do have is the LibreOffice suite. We have LibreDraw, LibreImpress, LibreMath, Libre Writer. Let's do LibreDraw. See what that does here. So this is the stuff you could try out. Now look, we have a spinning ball of death. I like that, the spinning ball of death, like how Mac OS has. So this is LibreDraw. There's the dock there. Alright, so that's Libre Draw. Let's see here. All. Then we have HP Utility. All that stuff. Education. Bible Time. Libre Math. Solitaire. Graphics. Libre Draw. Internet. Too bad they didn't bundle Skype with this. Alright, so got that, Clementine, etc. Office, we have Impress, which is just like what is it? It's just like oh god. Brain fart. Okay. It's just like what you call it? I'll come back to it when I think of it. Oh god. If anyone can comment down below on what it is, leave a comment below. I forgot the term and the meaning for that. So, anyways, yeah. When it comes back to me, I will you know what? Fuck it. This video is being, oh god, I wasn't prepared. Slideshow editor, that's what it is. It's a slideshow editor. Yeah, it's a slideshow editor. Much like whatever the term is for Office. I'll have to look it up here on Google. Alright, Microsoft Office. Let's see what it has here. Oh, fuck off. Outlook. PowerPoint. Okay, that's what it is. PowerPoint. I forgot the term and the meaning for that. It looks a lot like PowerPoint. Okay. So, you have a PowerPoint type program with this as well. So, that's what it looks like. It looks like Microsoft's version of PowerPoint. I couldn't think of it. Jeez. I'm that bad today. Brain fart. Okay. So, anyways. That looks like PowerPoint. Okay, so, anyways, moving on. We have settings. This will bring you to different settings and stuff. We have an NTFS configuration. New partitions. Detected. So, there we go. That's that. Close. Alright, so that's that. Let's go to Ubuntu Software Center. Now, yes, this is a distro of Ubuntu. And why is it a distro of Ubuntu? Well, we have the Software Center, which is right here. And yes, you still get the beach ball of death as it loads. which is pretty cool. The Software Center takes a long time to load in this distro. So, we got EasyCraft, which is a Minecraft clone. Let's see. Let's look in games. You could do Super Tux, all that cool stuff. So yeah, this is a distro of Linux to look like Mac OS X. So I like the idea of having to have a Mac OS like operating system. Now, Alabama, that needs to be changed. Sorry to say this, that needs to be changed. I have nothing against Alabama. It's just that's the first thing that showed up on this thing. So we're gonna go into properties and we're gonna change. I'm gonna change that. We're gonna go L. Alright. A Z. We're gonna find it. Searching, and then we're gonna click on that and go okay, and and it's going to search, and it says no weather data, and it reset. Okay, so there we go. We got the forecast for El Mirage. 73 this morning. It's going to get all the way up to 78 today. And then in the evening, it's going to dip back down to 70. So that's how that works. And now the clock has to be adjusted. Well, actually, we could change that. Actually, we could change that in settings, I think. Yeah, we could change that in settings. So, whatever time and date is. Well, you know what? We can't change that. We need time and date. Let's do okay, that was supposed to change the time and date. Anyways, we'll just fuck. We'll just leave that go. Oh, fuck off, hard drive. Jesus. What is this external hard drive's problem? Okay, we want properties. No, not that. How do I get the fucking time and date thing? Alright, I'll figure this out sooner or later. But anyways, moving on. We can right click. Wow, we can right click. So I guess there is a right click on this thing. Alright, so let's see here. system. Oh, fuck. Okay. Alright, we want system. There is no time and date thing in here. Internet education, nothing there. Accessories. Where's the time and date at? Stupid thing. Alright, I'm lost here. There is no time and date on this thing. Here's the torrent program that you guys are familiar with in Mac OS X. Here is, what you would call it. Here's transmission. Looks exactly... Fucking camera, come on, focus. There we go. Alright, here is transmission. Here is a torrent program that's very widely used in Mac OS X. So there we go. Now there's supposed to be a time and date thing, but it's not working. So anyways, moving on, we have the HP thing, and it just went away. Son of a bitch. Anyways, let's go properties on that. Let's see if we could change it. Okay. Alright, US. Okay. Alright. Just had to really think about that. Alright, so moving down here, we have the dock. I could just almost scrap this whole entire video and do it over, but I'm not going to, because you guys are going to see my failures at operating systems here. We got down here, we have the dock key, which we could zoom, we could do icon size, we could do hiding. We could do window dodge, auto hide. We could change the dock from to classic, air, glass, grayscale, HUD, matte, smoke, transparency, and and its default. Oh, fuck, sorry. Allergies. Okay, docklets have all and then enabled. You could go enabled or all, or disabled, which is right here. Go back to all, and then we have helpers, all that basic stuff. So on the dock we have, you know what, let's go back to the docky settings. I don't like that auto hide. There we go. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so on the dock we have the Thor file manager. We click on that, And it brings us to the file manager, just like it does in Mac OS X. So we have file system, we have documents, nothing there, downloads, theme manager. Alright. So pretty much everything is reliant on that. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so that's for themes. Music, nothing in there. Pictures, holy shit, we got a shit ton of pictures, but that's for backgrounds. And we'll get to that here very soon, the backgrounds. Public, templates, videos. We have screenshots. We could open with, let's open with Shotwell Viewer. There we go. That's what it looks like with the XFCE environment. What's nice about this is if we wanted to, we could go properties. That's in separator, but anyways, normally when you go into the properties, you could make the panel larger or smaller depending on which way you put it. But anyways, moving on, that was the file manager. Here is the terminal. There's the terminal. So there we go. We got Chromium web browser. Now this is the fun part. So as Chromium's loading up here, and since we're in a, come on, it's gonna open up 2 Chromiums. Hopefully it doesn't. So there's Chromium. There's the web browser. Now let's import bookmarks. So let's see what happens. Cancel. Okay, so I won't import my bookmarks because we're in a live session and stuff like that. First you have to sign into Chrome. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to sign into Chrome. What I am going to do here is I'm going to go to YouTube. I won't have any sound because I don't have anything plugged into this. I won't have any sound because I don't have anything plugged in. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go search up UXW Bill. I'm going to go to UXW Bill's channel, and then we're going to go UXW Bill, and we're gonna click on one of his videos here. Let's see here. Let's if I can get the headphones here. Since I can't pair anything with my Bluetooth speaker, well, actually, if I could find a, what you gonna call it? I'm not too prepared for this stuff here, but alright, we're gonna just click on a video. How to overclock here. I didn't like that. Reload. Oh. Let's turn the volume up a little bit more. Okay.
Unfortunately, there is most definitely a darker side to all of this. The computer manufacturers, who are dependent upon continued computer sales to remain solvent, are of course co-conspiring with web developers everywhere to include more Flash, more JavaScript in their web pages than ever before. And they're probably colluding with the browser makers too to make it all more slower. I think I ought to hire some writers. But maybe you like your current computer system. You don't want to upgrade. You know where all your things are. You know how to use the software that you have. You know how to avoid the pitfalls of your current system. So why should you bother learning something new? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to, thanks to the magic of overclocking. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, if you ask the internet community at large...
Okay, so that's a UXW build video. You saw one of the biggest pitfall failures of Google history where it just crashed. Anyways, moving on, we have Cheese, which is a photo and video application, and my hair is so fucking messed up, as you guys could probably see. Anyways, I'm not going to record a video or anything like that. I'm just going to walk you through the effects. Here's Snow Effect. Here's Dice. Here's Edge. Here is Flip. Here is Historical, which puts it into kind of like a movie type thing. Here's Hulk. Rawr! Kind of thing like that. And now here's Kung Fu. And that's Kung Fu. Here's another cool one. It makes me look like Comp Wiz. Oh, here is black and white. Move on over to the other set of stuff. Here's optical illusion. Here's quark. And here is radioactive. Radioactive! You can seriously play around with this stuff. It's that cool. Okay, then we have Ripple, which is right there. Pretty fucking awesome, if you ask me. Here's saturation. Gotta have a little saturation in your life. Alright, so here's ooh, oh, this is trippy. That's trippy. Alright, so we got Shagadelic. Shagadelic. Alright, now here's Vertigo. That's what Vertigo looks like. Alright, so here's Warp. Not much of a difference there. Here is Waveform, etc. And that's pretty much kind of a look at Cheese, by the way. Down here you could do video, take a video. You could take a photo, take multiple photos, and etc. There, we closed it before it could do anything. We got the Banshee media player, which is pretty cool. is if it loads here. There's the Banshee media player. You could do your regular files, you could do podcasts, you could do radio, Amazon, etc. Now playing media. So basically this is pretty cool. Alright, now close that. We have a webcam viewer, which is this, which comes pre-installed, preloaded. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Alright, so we have videos opening in the dock. We have settings, which takes it to the control panel and all that. I will get to the stuff. We have VLC player. It will load. It will load. It will load. Come on. It will load. There we go. Alright, so VLC player. Much the same as the Mac version. Trash can. Click on that. It opens it up. And there's no trash. Wireless. Little widget. Desktop, which you could do different desktops. Okay, so going back into settings, you're going to notice a few things. The few of these things you're going to notice is how it's laid out. In Mac OS X, you also have a settings panel or settings window. So what you guys will have is you'll have the appearance of what different things you want out of a distro. So we could change a little bit different stuff here, but it's not gonna look really good because combining with the Mac OS theme, it won't look good. It will make it kind of look like shit. But we just leave it on the Pearl OS theme. There we go. So we got that. We got different themes to choose from. We also got an XP theme to choose from. And again, we'll stick with the Pearl OS theme. Icons you could change. You could change so it doesn't look like a Mac. Can change it to GNOME. Here's Humanity. There we go. Then we got Humanity Dark. Pearl OS, which makes it look kind of like Mac OS X. And we got Tango. Desk 1. Then we got this one. Fonts is set to Ubuntu. Settings, icons, toolbar style, Go back to all settings. Notifications, we could change the notifications. You could change different aspects of it. See, screensavers. There's different screensavers. Just have a preview of one of them. Preview. There we go. Screensavers, that's what that looks like. Workspaces, workspace 1, workspace 2. desktop. There's all your desktops. I will get back to that here very shortly. File manager. You could change things with your file manager. Let's see. We did notifications. Panel. Okay, you could change the height of your panel, your your what you would call it. You could change the height of your panel. You could change the width, or you could change basically how it looks and stuff. So since this has no transparency, there's no transparency settings with the panel. So that's that. Preferred applications, you could do Chromium, SeaMonkey, utility for terminal, etc. Screensavers, window manager. Could change Perl OS. We could change it to XP. We could change it to. We have just different styles we could change it to. All settings. We could do window manager tweak. That will let us tweak different things in here. Display, monitor, etc. Right now I have it set to 1366 by 768, which actually makes it look a lot better. So that's pretty much that. And keyboard, we could do general type settings, cursors. We could do commands, command shortcut. Okay. Pretty much laid out for Windows keyboards. Behavior, all that stuff. Mouse, pretty much regular mouse. Microsoft optical mouse with tilt wheel. Buttons and feedback. I'm a right-handed person, so I choose right-handed buttons. Reverse scroll direction. Acceleration. We could change the acceleration to the pointer. We can make it go fast. We can also adjust the sensitivity to it to where you feel more comfortable when it's fast. It does that, especially when you don't have it set. It's going all over the place, as you guys can probably see. So we just pop it down to there. Reset the default. There we go. Behavior. Drag drop. Theme. We just have the Perl OS cursor theme. All settings. Power manager. On AC. Extended. Okay. Okay, I like that. That's cool. We've got a type editor, sessions and startup. We've got removable media. Pretty much the same as it is in Mac OS X. You could set removable media and all that cool stuff. So, that is awesome. You do settings editor, you could edit your settings, etc. XFCE, theme manager, all that cool stuff. Now moving on to the desktop backgrounds. This is the point in the video where I show off the backgrounds for you guys. Now with this Linux distro, you get a lot of cool backgrounds, okay? You're not gonna get just one. You're gonna get quite a few good ones. And that's pretty cool. And there's another cool one. And here is the original Mac OS X background. Here is another desktop background. And then here is another one, etc. The ones that I really like, take a trip on vacation or something. The ones that I really like are the ones that really stand out in a way. Here's Arnold Schwarzenegger. I am your party pooper. I'll be back. Oh god. And now here's Apple One. Just good desktop backgrounds by design. It's just, here's the same one again. Here's another one. I'd never seen this one in there before, so I take it that's another good one. I like this one. I also like this one. This is the Windows 7 background there. Here's another, here's a HD space image. Something that Mac OS X does not have. Here's another cool one. There's another cool one. Just some pretty good backgrounds. Very good backgrounds, by the way. Now that was uncalled for. Alright. There's Tux. Here's Mac OS X Lion. And here is Windows XP, which I can actually tell, Luna background. Windows 8 startup screen. Oh, Microsoft's gonna have a fit at this. Then we have some more cool Mac OS X themes. Right there. Right there. I love my Mac. Here's another cool one. Here's another cool one. Oh god, that's freaking cool. Different style and variations of different backgrounds. This is pretty sweet. I like this. Pretty different styles. Very good variations of different wallpaper. Here's the South Park one for all you South Park fans. Very awesome. Here's Spider-Man. Couple Windows 7 wallpapers. Probably doesn't go well with this type of Mac OS theme, but it's there if anybody needs it. So that's pretty much the themes. So anyways, guys, what rating do I give this operating system? Well, for it being looking like a Mac, I would have to give it a perfect 10 because the developers for this distribution did kind of a really awesome job in duplicating their own version of the OS. Pretty cool. Catfish search. We have the Oracle clock there, or Oracle calendar. So there are different notification thingies, but they're not working right now. Nothing else seems to be working at this point. But anyways, we're going to shut down this OS, and we'll see you guys next time. This video is 51 minutes long, and I've rambled on long enough. Peace out, guys, and practice and enjoy. That was a look at Pearl OS. And take the disc out, shut the thing, and took out the media, you dick. Looks like we're gonna have to shut it off because it froze. Alright. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Peace out and practice and enjoy.